Anyone can explain CPI after the fact, but not everyone can break it down before the move, drop the breadcrumbs in public, and then hit the trade live. This is how I did it. When the core CPI data came in soft, I told you exactly what it meant. Less inflation, less pressure on the Fed, weaker US dollar, and a potential risk-on rally. Now, most traders either ignore this or get faked out by the first reaction. The next day, I doubled down and dropped the CPI cheat sheet. I gave you the market reactions, trader mindsets, and traps to look out for. This was my blueprint, my playbook, and I made it public before the trade was ever taken. This wasn't just a scalp. It was a narrative-backed, liquidity-driven setup. The CPI drop baited retail longs, then reversed. Price ran the 786 fib, the trapdoor, then flipped POC into resistance. Classic swing failure setup. I hit the short and held to the previous demand zone, executed, managed, and exited clean. This is how you trade CPI. Not by chasing headlines, but by reading between the lines. I gave the insight, dropped the cheat code, and took the shot. Now that's the difference between talking theory and trading like a brawler. We don't wait. We don't hesitate. We hunt, we hit, we vanish.